Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to Himalayan Singing Ball Company, Nepal. So, in this small video, we are going to talk about how to define, how to see the differences between handmade and machine made. Of course, in handmade and machine made, if you have a good supplier, they always tell you the right information, and they always give you the your requirement. Like if you are looking for machine made singing ball or handmade singing ball, there will be the different prices, and they definitely give you the right product, of course. But sometime in the market, if you go very closely, the people claim that that is a handmade, but unfortunately they are not real handmade. So I try to explain what is exactly handmade and machine made. So in my way, I think you will understand it. For example, first of all, you have to, when you are planning to buy the singing ball or healing ball, that is very important to know what exactly you are looking for. Because in machine made singing ball, they are more like for souvenirs purpose of just to play some small role of singing purpose only. But the handmade ball, they are the healing ball. They help for more option like healing purpose, meditation purpose, many other kind of purpose. Like all the basic information we have always given in our other videos. If you just go back to our YouTube channel, there are several videos about all the basic information. But now we are only talking about the handmade and machine made. So these are the machine made singing ball. So machine made singing ball, they looks very beautiful. Number one. Number two, they are always very equal. So they looks very beautiful and they are always equal. Okay. And the handmade ball, when the ball is made by hand, they are always different. They are never been equal. If you just look in the bottom, in the top or in the bottom, you will see all the hand beaten point very clearly. So it means this ball is made by hand only. Okay, that is number one. To find out, just check them very closely. Can be many different color. The machine made ball can be shining one, can be different kind, can be other color, can be different design outside or inside. But the handmade one, there can be only few designs, only very few designs. Like there can be the carving one and there can be the plain one. It can be like signing like those signing one, can be a little bit design one, like all the Tibetan mantras written outside and inside. That can possible. But those are the machine made one. They have many different designs. Like there are many different the paintings, many different kinds of flowers. They try to make more attractive, like the fancy way. And that is the number one. Number two, they are very equal, and they are never been equal. The handmade one and handmade ball, you also can find something like those, the similar. They are also handmade. There are many different mantras, all the different flowers you can see. But if you just put them closely, the handmade one, you can feel the alphabet, feel the flowers in your finger. The machine made, they are just printed from outside, so it's very easy to came to know. Okay, and the equality, the looks, they are not very beautiful. They are like zigzag in a size and zigzag in the outlooks, and also there is many hand beaten point outside and inside. That is number two. And number third, of course, you have to check the sound. The machine made one, if you play, they have a very short and very slow and very short and very flow sound, like very cheap sound. If you turn them, yes, they have a beautiful singing sound, but it's not gonna stay very long. It's not a established sound. But if you go to the handmade one, no matter how big is it, even the small size is gonna have a beautiful and long-term sound, of course. This is very easy to check this the ball if it is a real one or fake, because if you just bang once, the ball gonna explain itself that is made by hand and made with love and made with a passion, made for the purpose of healing, made with a lot of healing power on it. There is healing power inside, so it rings long, and there is a beautiful om sound very clearly. Of course, it doesn't mean that the machine made are bad. They are also good. They are good enough, but they are only good enough just for playing. It's a beautiful rule. But if you play those kinds of ball, they have a very long and that is a very simple method to find out whatever they are handmade or machine made. So if you just learn these things, you can easily compare with the machine made and handmade, and you can buy the authentic handmade ball only. And number third, if you just bang the ball, you're gonna feel all the vibration. And handmade ball, they have always a strong vibration than the machine made ball. If you just bang it, you feel all the vibration, all the power, and all the energy is transplanted. But if you do the same things with the machine made ball, it has a vibration, but not like the handmade one. So that is the easy way, and that is a very simple to find out the machine made and the differences between machine made and handmade. In other videos, whenever you go to YouTube channel, we have many videos. We define the differences, we define how to work, what is the purpose of singing ball, what is the difference between machine made and handmade, and what kind of different balls you can find. And if you are looking to buy the authentic healing ball with 7 metal, 9 metal, even the set, please don't forget to subscribe us and connect with us. And you always can order via our online or via our social platform. So that is very easy, and we only export the handmade authentic ball. If you are looking for the machine made quality ball, then you have to visit in our store in Nepal only. We don't export the machine made quality to outside. We only export worldwide the handmade quality ball in any size and any frequency and any kinds. Okay, thank you very much for connecting with us, and thank you very much for the watching. Namaste.